everyone, I'm Saba and thanks for tuning into my channel Savoring with Saba, where I'm sharing recipes that are healthy, simple, and delicious. And what better way to celebrate and prepare for the holidays than with a cranberry mule? So let's jump right into today's video. I love a good Moscow Mule because 1, it's super simple to make, and 2, you only need a handful of ingredients. And if quarantine taught me anything, it's that I'm better at drinking cocktails than making them. So if you're bartender challenged like I am, this is gonna be right up your alley. So what I did first was I just got my mug and I filled it with ice. Now I'm gonna take our cranberry juice. Now I know this is not diet cranberry juice, but if I'm gonna be honest, I have yet to find a diet cranberry juice that doesn't have that weird lingering aftertaste. And I figured because I'm good year round, I can splurge with regular cranberry juice. Then I'm gonna take my vodka, because what's a sippy sip without some vodka? So I'm just gonna pour a little bit in there. Okay, a lot in there. And I'm gonna take one of my limes and I'm just gonna spritz the juice into the mug. Like so. If you don't have a fresh lime, go ahead and use lime juice. Like I say, work with what you got, people. We're gonna top this off with the diet ginger beer. I love ginger beer because it has that rich gingery flavor. Now if you don't like that strong gingery taste, then you can substitute this for regular diet ginger ale. So if you don't like ginger beer or you can't get your hands on it, use diet ginger ale. Diet ginger ale. If you can't find diet ginger beer, use diet ginger ale. There we go. Okay, clearly I've been tasting some of this cocktail, okay? Boom. Now the fun part, we're gonna garnish and make this look super cute and pretty. So I have cranberries. Mine are fresh cranberries. If you can't get a hold of fresh cranberries, use frozen ones. That works just as well. And I'm just gonna top it off. Have my other garnishes. We're gonna use some lime wedges for the rim, and I'm actually gonna add rosemary. I love the smell of rosemary. It's so fresh, and I think the pop of color is gonna look really nice against the mug and the cranberries that we put in the mug. So I'm just gonna take one sprig and put it in like so. Then I'll grab another one. Why not? Get all festive. And then let me take a wedge. Let me grab this one. And I'm just gonna place that right here. Ooh, look how adorable and delicious this is. This is what I call a cup of holiday cheer, y'all. I'm definitely gonna put this in a jug and so like have it self-serve style so that people can grab as many cups as they want throughout the night. But this is amazing. I'm loving the sweetness, that hint of sweetness I'm getting from the cranberry juice, and I definitely taste that zing from the diet ginger beer and the spritz of lime juice that I added on top. And of course, what's a sippy sip without some vodka? So this is my jam, y'all. Guys, you know what to do. Head on over to my website, savoringwithsaba.com, to get the full ingredients list, step-by-step instructions, and a ton of other easy, delicious recipes. Everyone, cheers. As always, stay safe and happy savoring.